Hey guys, welcome back. So, I just got my Fabfitfun box in the mail today, and I thought I would unbox it on here because it gives me another video because I haven't put up anything in 2 weeks. It's gonna be the story of my life. So basically, Fabfitfun, if you don't know what it is, it's just like a subscription box. You get it 4 times a year. Spring, summer, fall, winter, yeah, 4 seasons, 4 times a year, so like every 3 months. My math could be wrong on that, but whatever. It's the only subscription box I do, but they bill you like every 3 months, like $49.99, and where am I going with this? I'm losing my train of thought. They bill you, and usually about a month later is when you get the actual box. So it's the only subscription box I use. I used to do Ipsy, but that just got boring. Like, for someone that loves makeup, it got really boring. I didn't know half the brands, and yeah, so that got really boring. I've said that 3 times now. And yeah, so it gives me another video. Sorry if the lighting gets really weird. I'm using the natural light because I'm broke and I don't have money to buy all the fancy equipment, so I'm just using my iPhone. If y'all saw what it was propped up on, we're gonna hope it holds. And I'm using the natural light, so if the light goes in and out, that's why. I just got home from work and I literally just changed, fixed my hair, put on a little bit of makeup, and that's it. So anyway, I say a lot. I watched my last video I did. I said so much, so forgive me. So I'm gonna go ahead and like unbox this now. Basically, I'm not gonna say but anyways, so this is what the box looks like. I think it's super cute. So yeah, that's the box. Their boxes are always super cute. So oh yeah, they're always like partnered with some like foundation, because a lot of women use this box, so they always partner with some kind of foundation. And this box is in support of Global Gift Foundation USA, Girls in Action Alliance with Eva Longoria Foundation. I didn't know she had a foundation, but yeah. So this is, one moment please, this is what the inside looks like. Super cute. And then obviously you get like a magazine. This one obviously has Eva Longoria on it because it's, you know, her foundation. So it's a little card here. It says, beach more, worry less, and treat yourself to Fabfitfun. You deserve more summer fun. Oh, there's actually like a little code in here. I'm gifting you $10 off your first Fabfitfun box. That's 200 plus worth of presents to yourself for just $39.99. So if you use this code, I guess it's $39.99. Not that this probably tells you anything, but if anything, I'll put it like in the description box or something. Anyway, and they always have a gift card for HelloFresh. So I don't know how much time I have on this, so we're just gonna kind of dive in. So you open it up. Ooh, okay. So first thing I see here is this Wish exfoliating foot mask to smooth and soften intense hydration. Good Lord, the glare. So yeah, there's that situation. I don't know that I should open everything. That's what that looks like. Yeah, I'm not really gonna open everything because again, I don't know how much time I have on my phone. I think I have this. This cool, oh, that's a makeup setting spray. I have their sunscreen, but that's cool. That's a makeup setting spray with SPF. Heck yeah, man. And being like a future aestheologist, yeah, I need, you know, anything with SPF. So I can get that open, but yeah, it's just a makeup setting spray with SPF of 30, and it's from the brand Cool. So then I see mystery. Oh wait, I did a mystery choice. You can customize the boxes, and there are times that I just can't decide on what I want. I don't remember doing a mystery choice, but apparently I did. And it's this Grown Alchemist. I have something else from them. It says hand cream, vanilla, and orange peel. I'm not really big on hand creams, but I'll smell it if it's open. It's not. So anyway, but yeah, just this hand cream from Grown Alchemist. Yeah, so there's that. It's so weird because I feel like I'm going so fast because I don't know how much time I have and I'm not like enjoying everything, but it is what it is. So then there are these Invisibobbles. I don't really use these because I have thick hair and these don't really like work on my hair, but there's like a clear one and then like a cream looking one. But yeah, I mean, they're just supposed to be better for your hair and not leave like the crimp in your hair that regular hair ties do. So then this is a Generation Clay. Ooh, a brightening purple clay mask. Heck yeah, man. Is it even purple? Okay, I'm not gonna squeeze anything out, but anyway, it's just a brightening ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. Oh boy, I'm actually really excited to try that. And this next thing, good lord, is from a brand called Grace and Stella. It's a rose spray. Dang it. I'm not a big fan of rose. Yeah, I'm just not a big fan of rose. This is all wrapped up in packaging, so I'm not really gonna like open this, or apparently I am because I'm doing it. And you probably can't hear me over the sound of this opening up. How was your day? Is your day going well? Let me know. Ooh, that's big. So this rose spray. Ooh, I'm scared. That actually, I look like a weirdo. That actually smells really good, and I don't like the scent of rose. That smells really good. It's just a hydrating facial spray. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm actually really excited about that because that smells so good. All right. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this bag. Hold on, I'm getting to like one of the best things. So the next thing I see, the next couple actually, is this Jennifer's Zuner jewelry. Oh yeah, there was a choice of this and resistance bands. And this is alone expensive AF, so I got this and not the resistance bands because the resistance bands were cheaper. So it's just this little this little necklace with stars on it. I just think it's really cute. It's really dainty. Yeah, cute. So cute little gold star dainty necklace for me. And then this, good lord. This thing fell off. VIX. I can't pronounce this, but if that tells you anything, yeah. I think this is a beach towel. I want to say it's a beach towel, but I don't know how far I can back up here, guys. But it's like a lotus flower, I think is what it's supposed to be. We're so professional over here. I think it's supposed to be a lotus flower. Yeah, it's really cute. I think it is for the beach, but like the actual design is a lotus flower, and the actual like design of the blanket itself like is in the shape of, if you can see, like a lotus flower. I guess that's a lotus flower. I don't know. Either way, that'll be nice for the beach. And then I think the last thing I see in here, I made a mess, you guys. The last thing I see in here that I'm actually really excited about was this like beach tote that I got from the brand Summer and Rose. I have something else from them, ow, that I got from Fabfitfun. And living in Florida, I go to the beach a lot. So yeah, man, it's got like a button clasp here situation. Super, super cute. I like the design on it too. It's just really fun. So yeah, super fun, super beachy. Does it open up? Obviously it opens up, duh. Let's see. There's like a pocket. Not that you guys can see any of this. There's a pocket here. And I think that's the only pocket. This is really hard to do on camera, guys. Okay, yeah, anyway, so it's really big, it's really nice, it's gonna fit a lot. So yeah, I think that's the end of our time here with this month's Fabfitfun. I just spit everywhere. So yeah, there's stuff I'm really excited to try. Yeah, I'm really excited to try pretty much everything that I got. Especially this mask. I am all about a good clay mask, so I'm really excited to try this. I don't think that I can get this open. Well, it's closed anyway. I want to see like how purple is it. I think, oh, there's no scent, but I think it's gonna like dry purple. I think it's one of those that goes on clear and then dries purple, because it literally just went onto my finger clear. Yes, and I think, oh crap, I think I just broke that. I totally just broke that. This video is going south. All right, we're south, we're going south. Oh my God, no I didn't, okay. Anyways, this is a setting spray. Oh, wow. That is very sunscreen. If you guys, obviously, like, I'm sure you guys know what spray sunscreen is, so you just obviously spray on your body. Literally exactly what this smells like. Do you guys see that? Is that normal? I don't know. Anyways, I want to tell you guys like what the box retails for, because it does tell you that. So, excuse me, it's a hot mess. So anyway, this box retails for, I will find it in the meantime. Like I said, how are you guys? The total value of this box is anywhere between $269.95 to $467.95, depending on selection. That's a lot of money. Like, it's normally, oh my goodness, why did I not get wine glasses? Why did I not choose wine glasses? If anybody is watching this video that knows me, why did I not choose the wine glasses? I'm a wino. I really am. I'm a wino. So, there was a choice. I don't know if I'm going to get through all the choices, but like, where does it show like what you could have gotten? Oh, they changed it. That's why. Ew, don't change it on me. So in every box, you get the Invisible, the brightening mask, the Grace and Stella facial spray, and then the Wish foot exfoliating mask. So obviously I got all of that. And then all members were supposed to get the, really? All members? Oh, with the customization. There's like a mix of different things you could get, like a mini blow dryer. In this case, I got the Lotus towel, that Brazilian Bum Bum cream, a kimono, or a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask, West Elm indigo tie-dye towels, a summer and rose navy tote, which is what I chose, a letterboard. This is like the other stuff you could have gotten like besides the tote. So, I mean, none of them really appealed to me, so I just got the tote. I thought it was cute. And then select members get, oh, never mind. Oh yeah, and then the double star necklace was another option that I chose. Then the select members get, I keep watching the time up here, sorry. Select members get a mystery item, which was, that was the hand cream from Grown Alchemist, and then, or the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. So, I mean, pretty decent amount of stuff. If you customize it, you can pick one that's free, so to speak. And then, like, if I wanted to, like, get two things from the same category, like if I wanted the kimono and the wine glasses, I would have had to pay, like, $10 more for the kimono. So instead of it being $49.99, it would have been $59.99. Feel me? So, yeah, that is that. This video was kind of a hot mess express, but that's just kind of how I am and how these videos are going to be till I get my ish set up and together. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was kind of rushed, and hopefully next time it will not have to be so rushed. Again, I just didn't know how much time I had on my phone. So like how much memory basically. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Isn't that what all the beauty gurus say? Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you want to. Subscribe would be nice. What else? Tell your friends about my channel, I guess. I'm gonna try to leave my social media down below if I can. If not, it is what it is. My voice just cracked. Okay, it's time to end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like it and subscribe. If there's a video you want to see for some odd reason from me, comment it, I guess. Other than that, I will see you guys next time.